In this presentation, we will take a look at adjustments for AGI or adjusted gross income related to educator expenses. Remember that the adjustments for adjusted gross income are not the itemized deductions. They are the above-the-line deductions currently recorded on Schedule 1. Here is a snapshot of a piece of Schedule 1, the adjustments to income area, where we have line 23, the educator expenses. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at Accountinginstruction.info. If qualifications are met, then educators can deduct $250 of qualified education expenses for AGI. So there's that cap of $250 per educator. So who is a qualified educator? Eligible educators is or include teacher, instructor, counselor, principal, or aide in a kindergarten through 12th grade school who devotes at least 900 hours in the school year to the job. Next, we need to know what are the educator expenses. Qualified education expenses include books, supplies, equipment, and other materials in the classroom. Therefore, to take the deduction, we first need to know if we have an eligible educator. Once that's the case, then we need to go to the education expenses. Note that if we do have a full-time educator, the $250 amount of expenses is probably pretty low. If we talk about someone who's an instructor or a teacher or qualified educator for the entire year, they probably have over the $250, but like anything, we want to make sure that we have the records for those expenses that are made in case of audit. Note that the educator expenses is going to be one of those kind of specialty areas where we had education having a specialty area and a special expense for that particular type of industry, that particular type of business. And as time goes on, the dollar amount doesn't always change with the amount of inflation or just the value of the dollar. So it's one of those rules where the 250 may not have been adjusted for inflation, and therefore it looks lower and lower over time as the value of the dollar goes down with inflation. Here is the adjusted to income. We're on line 23. That's going to be the educator expenses, special expenses for people that qualify as qualified educators and have qualified expenses related to that. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at Accountinginstruction.info.